Take a moment to check out the 2019 Land Rover Range Rover. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Indulge in the best life has to offer when you take the wheel of this richly appointed, highly capable Range Rover. Plush, hushed, and powerful, this breathtakingly modern, supremely luxurious off-roader transports you in every sense of the word. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, four-wheel drive, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, fog lamps, wood grain interior trim. Superior elegance meets world-class off-road capability in this incredible Range Rover. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.